Hey, JT here. I want to ask you something right off the bat, and let's be honest with yourself. Do you ever feel like you're running on a hamster wheel in your business, doing hundreds of things, but still waking up with that gut feeling that you're just not doing enough? I was just talking to someone the other day, and this feeling came up that I know it hits so many of us, especially when you're grinding it out, with your own business, right? It's that nagging thought, that deep down feeling you're just not doing enough, or you running in circles, pulled a million different directions. You should be doing more all the time, right? You just feel this conviction that you're falling short in some areas of your business. Here's the deal, and this is key, my friend. It's totally okay to feel that little nudge, that conviction that you could do better. That's actually step one to fixing anything, right? You have to see it first. You have to acknowledge it first. But what you never want to feel is condemned. That kind of thinking just shuts you down. Conviction helps you move. Condemnation just parks you. So what can you actually do when that feeling creeps in? How do you flip that switch from to let's go? First, pick just one thing. One thing. What's the one biggest domino that you can push today or this week? Just one. Don't try to conquer everything. Focus all your energy there, get it done, and then you can breathe. Next, offload something. Look at your plate. What can you hand off? Even tiny stuff. Can you use a simple tool to automate it? Can someone help with anything? Get it out of your head and off your list. Make it happen. Then block out boss time. Literally put it in your calendar. This isn't client work. This is working on your business. Planning, strategizing, making those big moves. Protect that time that is gold mine, because it is. And hey, celebrate the small wins. Don't just beat yourself up for that didn't happen. Did you make one difficult call? Finish one annoying task? Got one small thing done that moved the needle? High five yourself. Acknowledge that progress. It builds momentum. And then talk it out. You are not only one feeling this, believe me. Hit up another entrepreneur or jump into a community where folks just get it. Just sharing that load makes a huge difference on you, and you'll realize you're not alone in these struggles. So, my friend, when that feeling hits you next, and it will, because that's part of being an entrepreneur, what's one simple, actionable thing you're going to do immediately to shift from feeling stuck to just getting things done? What's that one first step for you? Go do it.